Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Bronco Big Bend. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by that lovely 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Black Diamond package, as well as the Black Diamond graphics package. We do get a recovery hook in the back, rear park sensing, full-size spare tire, backup camera, a nice black hardtop on this vehicle with high clearance fender flares, awesome off-road wheels and rims, rock rails. You got the Black Diamond graphics with blind spot detection, fender flares on the front, graphics on the hood with recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got all these nice little cargo bags for your doors, roof, all that jazz. Hooks and doodads on either of the corners, 12-volt lights, body's going to be molded to the outside coloring. Got a light on this side, cargo cubby, and of course you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see the vehicle does see up to a 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black vinyl interior, floor mats with a vinyl floor interior, cargo net, rear vents, windows, you got USB-Cs, 110 volt, and you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same vinyl interior we saw in the back there. Even bigger cargo net, powered locks on the doors, lights, parking brake, hood, grab handle here and there, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 48 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering with phone, voice, toggle-free screen, playback, play forward, volume and cruise control, digital speedometer with my view, trip and feel, Bronco information, phone, navigation, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, GOAT modes with 4-wheel drive and trail control, windows and mirrors with cup holders, grab handle there, and above. With storage, you got a nice little phone slot with outlets, dual climate up front with heated front seats, auto stop outsert, tune volume, with storage on the dash with some outlets, front locking diff, trailer turn, hazards and traction. You do get your normal storage below with a bunch of keys, with upfitter switches where you can set them up however you please, a sound deadening headliner for that nice hard top. And looking at our audio here, we have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Phone controls, navigation, search, recent save, little red dots showing you where vehicle's been. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA45271, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.